All right. We're going to be focusing on creating hexagons. We use hexagons a lot in this class. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you 3 different things. So first of all, they want you to construct a hexagon using your compass. Mrs. Early's favorite tool. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a line from the center point going vertically through the circle. And it should be done with 6H pencil. I drew mine dark enough that you could see it. Okay, but that should be a construction weight line. So the next thing that you're going to do is you are going to set your compass from the outer edge to the center point. And I've got my graphite at the center point. Okay, the reason for that is I'm going to make it look kind of like a basketball. Okay, so there's one arc. I'm going to pick it up, turn it so the point's on the other end, and arc it from here. Okay, I said kind of, not exactly. So now you have the points that you're going to connect. Remember, hexagon has 6 sides. So I'm going to be using a straight edge to connect the points. Sorry, I got a little off there. And this is how you use a compass to help you make a hexagon. Okay, this is helpful if they give you a distance between points. Okay, or if you have a circle to start in already. So this is just one of the 3 different tricks. And notice, yes, I am taking some time, but I want to line this up. It's better to take the time at the beginning and get it right rather than have to waste time making corrections. Okay, and I would go back and clean that up with an eraser shield. Okay, the next trick, I'm going to be teaching you 2 different vocab words. First one is circumscribe. Okay, when we're doing when we have a shape that we are wrapping around a circle, that is called circumscribe. Okay, so the circle is inside. And we're going to construct a hexagon using a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So that's this one. Anytime you have a hexagon, this is going to be your best friend. Okay, so what we're going to do, I have that vertical line going outside of the object. That was deliberate because now I'm going to start with some construction weight lines. Helps if I use my 6H pencil at this moment. Okay, and I am having it rest against my parallel bar, which seems to be out of the view of my camera. Okay, and then I flip my triangle over. Okay. With your 6H pencil, these are called construction lines, if you remember from your line type PowerPoint presentation and exercise. And these are used a lot. We use them when we're initially finding where shapes go, and they should be so light that you shouldn't have to erase them. I have to draw mine dark so that you can see them on the camera. But now I have 2, 4, 6 sides, and I know where all the intersections are. So now I can go back with my H pencil and connect from one point to another using my straight edge. Okay, remember this has to be done with the 30, 60, 90 triangle. Otherwise, you will end up with an octagon or some really odd shape. I think I have a piece of eraser dust under my paper because I have a woogity line. Okay, flip that over. And there we go. So a shape that goes around a circle is called circumscribed. Okay, our last hexagon is inscribed. When you inscribe, that's when you put it inside of the circle. Okay, so the circle's on the outside. So we're going to start it the same way, and we're going to use our 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay, so I start with a vertical line, and then because I already have my boundaries of my circle, I am just going to connect from that vertical line to the circle. Okay, I'm going to flip my triangle over this direction. Do the same thing, go in the opposite direction. And then I'm going to close it on either side with, oops, that didn't go all the way. There we go. With my vertical lines. Okay, and there you have it. Circumscribed, inscribed. Well, wait, I see the same thing. Inscribed, because it's inside the circle. Circumscribed, because the circle's in there. Okay, so that's how you make squares and hexagons using triangles and a compass. Use 1/8 inch lettering to letter your first and last name and turn it in.